Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be showing how to remove the tailgate handle on a second gen Toyota Tundra, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by removing the tailgate plastic cover. The covers are off, so now I will have access to remove the handle. And that's going to be it for this project. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.